evening. So in this video I want to demonstrate how I use my quick turn. So I did a dress some time ago and it required ties, and I purchased a loop turner off of Amazon that didn't really do the job for me, and I found these quick turn tools, and they come in 3 different sizes, and you just pick the size based on the width of your tie or strap, whatever you're trying to turn inside out. If it's a narrow casing, you pick the proper size based off the actual hole itself. So I have a tie here that I'm using for a pair of shorts, and I am going to be using this medium size loop turner here, medium size. And what you do is you take your tube and you put it inside of your strap, your tie, whatever it is you're trying to turn inside out. You put it all the way in as such, and you take the point. I'm going to use the point that doesn't have the end, rather that doesn't have the point on it, because I don't want to make a mistake and put a hole in my strap. I'm going to take this here, I'm going to stick this in. See that? And I'm just pushing it through. I'm pushing it through, and as you can see, it comes across on the other end. I simply put the stick into the hole here, and I push the stick in as I'm pushing the fabric through, and I have turned my narrow casing for a tie inside out, and you simply want to make sure that you got all of that out. You may have to push it down some more just to make sure you've got all the end out. It's a little bunch there, but you can continue to push it in or use your fingers just to kind of wiggle it out. But at the end, you just take the wooden stick out. This part gets a little tricky, but it comes out. You just gotta push it out. There you go. And you basically have your narrow casing or your tie turned inside out.